Hello. See, I've got a video before Christmas and New Year. Wasn't sure whether I would, but here we are at work today. And folks never stop for any time of the year. It is what it is. So I'm in a Yeti today. So the screen's not doing nada, right? These are touchscreen. They're supposed to be obviously do something instead. However, volume works, so the physical buttons work, but the screen's doing nothing. So we need to look at why. Now, I can't use Otis in this instance because Otis is brand specific, unless you're in a multi-franchise. Well, I work for Volkswagen, so I can't use Otis for this Skoda. So we're going to get to reading the fault codes now, the best way I know how. So as you can see, they are photosensitive, heat-sensitive screens. So you will get an instance in the morning, guys, on modern cars that it may fuck about for a bit. But then it comes back right. However, this one, it ain't. So we're going to scan it. And I sort of know the code. Well, in fact, I definitely know the code that I'm looking for. We're going to see what it comes up with now. I'll rest my arm on the door frame. I love driving these Yetis, you know, they're lovely cars. A bit underpowered, this one, though, being a little petrol engine. But, you know, it is what it is. So we'll just get that. We'll have an high speed. See how high speed it is. It's good. Ooh, got a bit of Knowles Barkley on and all. Check that out. Right, so I'm going to do the high speed. There might be a whole bunch of faults in here. Lots of control modules. The one we're going to be looking at is 5F, which is the infotainment. But you'll notice if you ever speak to, this could be across multiple brands, but most of the time Volkswagen, if you speak to another Volkswagen techie, cheers pal, speak to another Volkswagen techie, you'll see we refer to modules as, let's say if we've got an ABS fault, we'll go, oh yeah, we've got this fault in 03, or we've got this in 01, which is engine. So most of the time you'll see that, and as you can see, it's lit up like a Christmas tree, and there's more red than green, which ain't ideal, guys, let me tell you. So once it's stopped doing its high speed, we'll nip into 5F, and we're just I know it's going to say screen mechanical malfunction. So we'll have a look. Bosh. Display and control head for information electronics. It's just a posh way of saying your screen's fucked. Now, there's nothing from a dealer standpoint we can do at this part, and it's under warranty. So it's a case of having a new screen. So I believe there are people out there that can rectify these screens and get it all sorted for a fraction of the price of what it's going to cost to get this repaired. But however, with it being under warranty, the customer gets looked after massively, and we'll get this sorted. So even if I just clear down these fault codes, it's not going to sort the screen out. Although it said passive sporadic, I get that. I'll show you just on camera. So in fact, I won't, because I need to prove this to the warranty company. So I won't clear that now. But you can see we've had a battery low at some point. There's a short ground on the antenna. Now Volkswagen techies, you'll know exactly what that is. That's the shark fins bollocks. A lot of low voltages. But that's the big bad boy that we're after now. That's going to get that to not do anything. So I would bring you along for fixing it, but I can't, because we ain't got one. So anyway, I'll love you and leave you. That's it.